if you own a 94 to 98 Mustang with keyless entry, more than likely you're going to have to learn to reprogram your keyless entry transmitter to your car. Now, to do this process, you have to have at least 2 transmitters, but you can program up to 4. Now, one special tool you're going to need is a paper clip folded out exactly like this, 90 degree to the main body. This is what you're going to use as a shorting pin. Now, to tell if your car even has keyless entry, you're going to need to remove the rear trunk panel and the driver's side trunk panel, and you'll see the keyless entry module. If that module doesn't exist on your car, then you don't have keyless entry. No need to watch any further. If you do have that module, you're in luck. You have keyless entry. You'll need to get you at least 2 remotes. Now, right next to the module is a 2-prong plug. This plug is the one that needs to be shorted. Remove the push pin that holds it into place, and you have the couple of terminals in there. Turn the key to the on position and take your paper clip, slide it into the connector, touch it across both of those terminals, and you'll hear the door lock cycle, lock and unlock. That lets you know it's in training mode. Press and hold any one of the 4 buttons on the first remote until you hear the door locks cycle again. Then repeat that process for all the remaining transmitters, up to 4. Once you're done with that, remove the shorting bar, turn the key off, and then you can test for operation. And you'll want to have your transmitters within easy reach, because you have to hold this into place throughout the procedure. So grab hold of your connector. The key's already on. Slide it in, and you hear the door locks lock and unlock. Press and hold, lock and unlock, press and hold. Cycled again, we're done. We can remove that shorting bar and turn the ignition off. Whenever you turn the ignition off, you'll hear those door locks cycle again. That lets you know that you had a successful procedure. Just to verify that, you can press the remote buttons. We have a lock, and we have an unlock. We're good to go. For more tech tips on your Mustang, check out latemodelrestoration.com.